Here we go. This is the sticker book. I don't know, the sticker books are probably one of my favorite things that Simple Stories does because I use a lot of stickers, right? So 12 sheets. This one has 516 stickers, starting out with the icons. Fun little camera, typewriter, lemons, little bees. There's a little strawberries. And of course, whoopsie, look at little squirrel. We gotta love that for the squirrel. Some birds, a little bicycle, some plants. But again, just a really good kind of neutral. When I say neutral, I mean you could use this for anything. You could use this for spring or summer. You could use it for Mother's Day. You could use it for the bridal shower. You could use it for all different kinds of things. That I love. I just did a list on Saturday with those letters from the My Story sticker book. But look at, same thing. I love using those little kind of block stickers. Gotta still have to finish that list. Some little word strips. Cabbage roses, those are so pretty. A few more strawberries in there. I love these. Look at these. Live life in full bloom, be the good. I love the contrast between the block words and then the script or handwritten words. I think those just look so nicely together. More little sentiments. Again, the contrast between the handwriting and then the block print, all uppercase. The words, or not word strips, the little border strips. Tabs and labels. Ooh, that's fun. Little circle wreaths, and then those are a little long. We haven't seen Simple Stories do that before. Those little long, kind of viney flowers, and then some little journaling spots. So that is the sticker book. While it's here, let's take a look at this. The stencil. So 6x8 stencil, lemons, of course, right? So fun. Just love, love, love that lemon stencil. And it's nice that it's 6x8 because if you're working in, if you're doing a greeting card or something, you have plenty of room. But if you're working in a traveler's notebook, that's a good size, right? Tall as we need it, definitely as wide as we need it. Okay, so let's move into, so I did bring in the stamps for the little things. I don't always bring in the stamps. It just depends if there's something that I see that I think, oh, that's really fun. And I loved the stamps for the little things for a couple of reasons. Number one, love the typewriter. Love the camera, and then obviously the little lemon, but then I loved this too, the little things, kind of going back to that, the combination of the script font and then the block print. I just love that together. So those are the stamps, 4x6 photopolymer, made in the US. And let's get out our tray again. We'll look at the three packages of die cuts. So we have the bits and pieces, the journal bits, and the floral bits. Susan said those stickers are fabulous. Yeah, your value. I think the sticker books are $9, and you get, that just goes such a long way with the 12 sheets and all the stickers in there. Okay, some little lemons. Oh, look it. It's a quail. It's so cute. I love that. We used to have quail in our backyard. Well, at our old house, we had a lot of quail. Like they would have babies every year. And oh my gosh, they were the cutest things to watch. Seriously, so cute. Oh, look at, great for a title. You know what's so nice about that? Look at this. The size of that. Look at, it's like perfect for Traveler's Notebook. And these little guys are too. Our little banners. Because a lot of times some of the things are too wide, right? They're too wide or too long. But those are great. Those are great sized for that. Your cards too, if you have a little bit of a smaller something you're working in, like a card. Lots of little flowers there, some little titles. Oh, beautiful butterflies. You see lots more of that lavender in here. Lavender purple is generally something that you don't see a lot of manufacturers work with. And purple seems to, oh my goodness, right? Look at that. That's just like, I need like 1,000 of those. They're just so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Purple is not something you see come up in a lot of collections. And it's one of those things people either seem to love it or really don't love it. And I don't know what it is, but it's just one of those things that it's pretty rare that you'll see a manufacturer go really heavy on purple in a collection just because doesn't really sell. But something like this, where it's a nice accent color, I really like it. I think it's a nice accent color. All right, journal bits. So, a couple of icons in there. But again, these are going to give you a little bit more room. Love that one to do a little bit more writing. That one is fabulous as well. Love the typewriters in there. Some smaller little tabs or strips. Those little round ones, those little circles are a lot of fun. All right, so that is these are two. Love those little things. Put a little thin string in there, and that'd be such a cute accent. Okay, that is the journal bits. And then we go to the floral bits. So I love it, love it, love it when Simple Stories does the floral bits because I love flowers like this. If you've ever taken a layout class with me in the past, a lot of times we will take a 12 by 12 piece of paper and I have us fussy cut the flowers out. And I say, you know what? If manufacturers would make die cut packs where the flowers were already cut for us, we wouldn't have to do this. Well, look at this is exactly what I love it when they do this because you've got all those wonderful flowers and you don't have to go to the trouble of kind of fussy cutting all of them. That's a great one. I love this little kind of yellow daisy. This one's fun too. So this is the floral die cut pack. Little lemon slices. Oh, look at some little berries. Your strawberries. All right, so those are the 3 die cut packs, the regular bits, the journal bits, and the floral bits. Okay, now we're going to jump into the washi, and we'll take a look at a little washi here. So again, 5 rolls. You end up with 75 feet, so you end up with quite a bit of washi. A good cross section. 2 of the rolls are 8 millimeters. The other 3 are 15. And 15 is kind of your standard. 15 is standard height for washi. All right. Again, I will put these down and then I will bring it up to the camera so you can see what they look like. That one is really fun because it has a little bit of a transparent back. Well, I'll bring it up. A little bit of a transparent background so you can kind of see through it a little bit. There's your lavender for all of my lavender fans. Hi, Karen. I told this story before. Years ago, I was teaching. I'm going to say I was teaching, and I think it was in Michigan, the Great American Scrapbook something or other, I think. I was teaching in Michigan, and I was doing a layout class, and people were working, and I was just chit-chatting, and somehow the topic of purple came up. And one woman said, she said, I only wear purple. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. She goes, no, you don't understand. I only wear purple. The only clothing that I own is purple. Everything that I own is purple. I love purple that much that I wear purple every day and I wear nothing else. And I said, oh, okay. When you said you really wear purple, you really meant it. You really wear purple. She went all in. She was only wearing purple. All right. Oh, those are so pretty. So there we go. There are the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Or excuse me, those are the 5 washi. Sorry, I just totally moved. Those are the 5 here, washi, that are part of the little things. Just so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All righty.